Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. So NTU, the research scholarship. We'll talk how much will be the coverage of scholarship, in which degrees you can apply for that scholarship, and how you can apply for that scholarship. So let's start. The NTU Research Scholarship is awarded to outstanding graduate students for research. So guys, if you are an outstanding research graduate student, then you are eligible to apply for that scholarship. Eligibility: you are eligible for this scholarship if you are a local or international student seeking admission as a full-time candidate pursuing a graduate research program at NTU. You must have a minimum of honors or its equivalent. Coverage and award terms: there is no bond attached to the scholarship. The award is tenable for 1 year in the first instance and is renewable subject to good progress. It means that first year they will provide you that award, and in next year they will see your progress. If your progress is good, then they will renew that award. The maximum period for the scholarship is 2 years for masters and 4 years for PhD, as determined by the school, as well as availability of the research funding in each case. Monthly stipend for PhD for the Singapore citizen is that, you can see, and Singapore permanent resident is that, and international student. You can see here, for Singapore citizen, this is the monthly stipend for masters and PhD. And for the Singapore permanent resident, this is the stipend and scholarship. And for international student, this is the stipend scholarship. Monthly stipend with effect from January 2024. Oh, they will increase the stipend from January 2024. You can see here. Central provided fund contribute shall be provided at a rate pegged to the prevailing employer's contribution rate set as PF on top monthly stipend received. International student must perform teaching, laboratory, supervision duties to fulfill the requirements of graduate assistantship program. Singaporean and Singapore resident may perform GAP at the discretion of the school. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics discipline. Social science, humanities discipline. So mainly the scholarship stipend is more in science, technology, engineering, mathematics discipline compared to social science, humanities discipline. For scholars who pass the PhD qualifying examination confirmation, she may eligible for additional stipend up to 500 per month. The increase is the stipend is subjected to good performance in research and attachment to the attainment of the required standard for course taken. The university reserves the right to vary the amount of the stipend at any time by written notice. In addition to monthly stipend, the award also covers the annual tuition fee. So you don't need to pay the tuition fee, and they will also provide you the monthly stipend. What else you need, guys? Go for that, okay? And application procedure. Here you can apply now. Click here to go to application procedure. We can take a look. Successful candidates will be informed on outcome of their application together with the offer of admission via email. They are required to observe the terms and conditions for award of the scholarship. Apply now. New application, okay, and then update application before submission, after submission of online application, duplicate of application, payment for the application fee, check the application status and preview the application. You need to click here start new application. This form may take you 20 minutes to complete. The system is best used with Google Chrome browser. So you can take a look here. Which documents they need: online application form, recent photograph, passport, IELTS or TOEFL, GRE or GMAT or GET, official transcript, official translation in English, official language, master's degree, official transcript, official translation in English, original language, bachelor's degree, research proposal. Get ready your credit card for application fee. And yeah, this is the form. First you need to register online, and then you need to submit your application. These documents you need to provide, and after you submit the application, then you need to wait for the results of your application. And if you have any question related to that application, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. We daily upload the videos related to scholarship, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.